The complaint submission process starts with IMS, which is web-based software that is used by DLI for permitting and licensing. This video assumes you have IMS login credentials. If you do not, please refer to the video on creating credentials in IMS. IMS can be found at ims.dli.mn.gov. Use your login credentials on this screen to start the submission of a complaint. After successful login, tiles will appear with the options you have. Under the Enforcement tile, select Submit Complaint. Select the regulated industry for the basis of your complaint. Choose Residential Building for complaints against residential contractors, remodelers, or roofers. Choose Electrical Complaint for electrical contractor and complaints. To submit a complaint against a plumbing contractor, choose Plumbing Complaint. For all other complaints from what is listed, choose Other. For our example, we will choose Residential Building Complaint. Next, you will enter the address for the project. Notice as you are typing, you will see the addresses start to populate. Once enough information is entered for the address, it will appear on the list, and you can select it. You will then verify the address is correct and choose Next. On this page, you will list the information about your complaint. On the Authorization panel, you will need to give permission if you authorize DLI to release your name and a copy of the complaint. Selecting Yes will allow DLI to use the information to further investigate the complaint. Complainants may choose to remain anonymous or prohibit authorization, but any information supplied that could identify the complainant could then not be used. On the Complaint Description panel, provide a detailed description of the complaint you are submitting. Try to be as detailed as possible. If you scroll down on the page, you can enter the date of the project start. Next, add the completion date for the project. On the Proposed Resolution panel, enter what you believe would remedy the situation for the complaint. Click Next to continue. On this page, you will enter all the information for the contractor. Please provide as much information as you know. Click on Next. Next, you will submit all the documents to support your claim. When submitting documents, all the documents must be compiled into one file upload. These documents should include copies of contracts, estimates, invoices, emails, text messages, canceled checks, or any other related documents or evidence to support the complaint. Photographs of work performed are not required. When your documents are all assembled into one file, click on Browse. Navigate to the folder where the documents are stored and select the file with all the combined documents. Click on Open. Your document will then upload. When complete, click on Next. Next, you will find the summary of all the information provided so far. You can verify that all the information is correct. If something needs correcting, click on the orange Edit button near the incorrect information. Otherwise, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Submit. Your complaint has been successfully submitted. It is in the process of being reviewed by the enforcement investigators. If you wish to submit another complaint, click Another. If you are finished, click on the Home. Back at the IMS home screen, be certain to log out when finished.